inside of the fun box. Today we have my favorite game, roll and play. Okay, you roll the cube, and then whatever color the cube lands on, you pick that card and you do what the card says. Does that sound like fun? Well, come on, let's go play.
Bye.
Are you ready to play roll and play with me, Leila and Kaelee? Awesome. Okay, we're gonna roll the cube, whatever color it lands on. We're gonna pick up the color card and we're gonna do what the card says. Do you wanna roll first?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Let's see what color you get. Whoa. Okay. She got purple. Okay, this is the purple one. Good job. The purple one says, touch your elbow. Can you guys touch your elbow? Touch your elbow. Elbow. Good job.
Oh,
Okay. Now it's my turn.
Your turn.
Okay.
You got yellow.
Yellow. Make a scared face. Make a scared face. Good job, you guys. Good job to roll it. And we got orange. Oranges give one hug. Can you guys give one hug? Go ahead, hug each other. Huggies, huggy, huggies. One hug. Good job. That was a nice hug. Leila's gonna roll the cube now. What color did you get? You got green. Okay, can you bark like a dog? Ruff, 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 ruff. Can you bark like a dog? Ruff, 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 ruff. Good job. It's
Now
my
my
turn. You can go. Whoa, way over there. But we got green again. Green, can you gobble like a turkey?
Gobble,
Gobble, gobble. Gobble, gobble. Gobble, gobble. Gobble, gobble. Did you eat turkey for Thanksgiving?
Yeah.
Do you like turkey?
Yeah.
Okay. It's my turn now.
The turkey goes into his farmhouse.
Yeah. We've got purple. Purple is wave your arms. Can you wave your arms? Wave your arms. Sorry, Mama. Wave your arms. Wave your arms. Good job, you guys.
I
can Good job.
Auntie, we're gonna be very kind.
You got yellow. Yellow is make a happy face. Can you make a happy face? Cheese. Happy, happy. Happy face. Can I see your happy face? Good job. You want to roll the cube next? Okay, here you go. Okay, and we've got blue. Blue, 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 blue,
Blue like
blue. Good job. Okay, blue says, find something purple.
Okay.
Let's go find something purple. You back. Okay, can you tell me what you found that was purple? Good job. You found a purple ring.
It looks like a donut.
It does look like a donut and it's a circle. And I also found a purple circle toy. What'd you find? Purple blocks. And you found two. Do you have two there?
Yeah.
Good job.
I put them together.
You put them together. I see. Okay. We'll put everything purple over here. And I think it's your turn.
Okay. Again.
Yes, again.
I hope we get something good to find.
And you got orange.
Orange.
Can you spin around 2 times? Spin, 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 spin. 1, spin, spin, spin. 2. We only spinning 2 times. Good job.
Okay, it's your turn.
Okay, I'll go. You can go. We got red.
Red.
Red is blow a kiss. Can you blow a kiss? Mwah, mwah, mwah. Good job. I'm gonna go now.
Okay, you go now.
I think it's my turn.
Yeah, Kaylee went next, I went next, and now
We got Red again. Red is do a silly dance. Do a silly dance. Do a silly dance. Do a silly dance. Okay, good job. Okay, Leila, I think it's your turn to roll.
Okay.
Come on, baby.
I hope I get to find another color because I love finding orange and my orange.
Oh, you want to do the blue? Okay, let's see what you get.
I hope I get blue. I'm hot.
We got orange. Orange is hop 4 times.
Okay.
1 hop. 2 hops. 3 hops. 4 hops. Good job. 4 hops. 4 hops.
Auntie's turn.
My turn? Okay.
Auntie, what?
We got yellow. Can you make a sad face? Sad face. I think it's your go.
It's fluffy. Okay, I hope we get blue.
Let's see. Whoa, you got orange.
Orange.
Okay, oranges count 5 fingers.
I cracked my hand.
Can you count 5 fingers?
Yeah.
Count Auntie's 5 fingers. 1.
2, 3, 4.
Good job. Do you want to count my fingers? Okay, go ahead.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We counted 5 fingers. I think it's your turn. You want to go get it? Blue. Okay, blue means we have to find something orange. What did you find that was orange? Can you show them what you found? Kaylee found an orange ball.
That was my turn.
Can you bounce it? Bounce the ball. Good job. I found an orange toy. I think it's a teething toy. And I also found an orange square. I found an orange square. What'd you find, Leila?
Orange sticker and orange giraffe.
What's orange on the giraffe? Yeah, that's
And
funny.
the spots.
Yeah, the giraffe has an orange tail and some orange spots. You guys are so good at finding colorful things. You want to hold it? Okay, well, can you roll first and then you can hold it? Okay, and you got red. Red is give a high five. High five. High five. You got orange. Can you pat your head 7 times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
I almost dropped the card.
Blue. Okay. Can you find something red?
Okay, we're at.
Let's go find something red. Why don't you tell us what you found, Kaylee? You found a red oval. Can you show them the oval? Can you hold it up like this so that they can see this side? Good job. Kaylee found a red oval. I found a red pot, a little pot, a red little pot. And I also found a red tomato.
I want to see.
It's a red tomato. What'd you find, Leila?
I'm gonna cook.
You found a piece of cheese, a block of cheese, and you found a brick, a red brick. Good job. Okay, I think it is Katie's turn to roll.
Okay, because I went next.
There you go, baby.
I hope we get blue because I went.
We got orange. Ooh, can you clap 8 times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Oops.
We've got red. Okay, can you two play patty cake? Or do you want me to play patty? How about I play with you first and I'll play with you? Patty cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Roll it and prick it and mark it with a B. Put it in the oven for baby and me. Yay! Are you ready? You know how to play? Okay.
Patty cake.
Patty cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Roll it, prick it, and mark it with a B. And put it in the oven for baby and me. Yay!
Whose turn is it?
Good job, good job.
I think it's Auntie's turn.
I think it is my turn too. Thank you. Blue! Okay.
Yay!
Can we find something blue?
Blue, blue, blue.
Okay, can we first show them what you found that was blue?
What did I find?
What part of the picnic basket is blue?
Blue.
The top part. Good job. I found two blue bowling pins. What did you find that was blue? You found a blue ring? You're finding all the rings. Oh, and a block. Okay, good job. Okay.
I love rings.
Good job. Whose turn is it now?
Me.
Okay. Let me get all
I
the
hope we
toys
get blue again.
out of your way.
I want to try.
Oh, you haven't gone in a while. Okay. You'll go next. Go ahead, Mommy.
Yeah.
Yellow.
Yeah.
Can you make a sleepy face? Can you make a sleepy face? Oh, I'm so sleepy. Oh. That's your sleepy face? You're actually gonna go to sleep. Okay, go ahead. It's your turn.
Place a piece of food through a hole in my shapelet.
You got red. Can you say your name? What's your name?
Yeah.
What's your name?
I'm Keely.
I can't hear you.
I think Keely's shy.
Kaylee. Good job. I'm gonna go this time. You like my furry socks? And we've got green. Can you meow like a cat? Meow.
Meow.
Okay. We've got orange. Can you stomp 6 times? Okay, do it on my count. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job. We stomped 6 times. Okay, looks like we're all
It's
done.
my
with the
turn.
orange.
I want to do it again.
Okay, go ahead.
I hope we get something cool. Blue, blue.
Green.
Aw.
Can you roar like a lion? Can you roar like a lion?
She just did it.
Okay, and we got green. Can you neigh like a horse? Neigh, neigh, neigh. Good job. You want to go later? Go
A cute win.
ahead, Layla.
I hope it's yellow. Cause I'm something.
Yellow. Can
Yeah,
you
that's
giggle
yellow.
and laugh? Okay, and that's Bowl and Play for today. Thank you for playing with us. I hope you had a good time. Bye. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.